Students, our next topic is types of partnership firms. So there are major three types of partnership firm. The first one is general and limited partnership, second one is partnership at will and particular partnership, and third one is legal and illegal partnership firms. Okay, so one by one we will discuss about all the three types. The first is general and limited partnership firm. So in the general partnership firm, there is the liability of all the partners is unlimited. On the other hand, if I talk about the limited partnership firm, then the liability of all the partners is limited. So this is the main difference between the two. In general partnership, the liability of all the partners is unlimited, and if I talk about the limited partnership, as the name suggested, the liability of all the partners is limited, because in limited partnership firm only one person is decided about the unlimited लाइबिलिटी. ओके, अगर सबकी लाइबिलिटी लिमिटेड कर दी जाएगी तो इन केस ऑफ हैवी लॉसेस हु विल रिकवर द ह्यूज लॉस. सो इन दिस वे, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द लिमिटेड पार्टनरशिप फर्म, देयर इज अ पार्टनर whose liability is unlimited except one. All the partners have limited liability. So it is clear, beta. So general partnership, all the partners liability is unlimited, and in limited partnership one person's liability is unlimited and other all partners liability is limited. Second one is partnership at will and particular partnership. Will means desire. Okay, so partnership at will can be formed to run the business फॉर अ इनडेफिनेट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, तो उसका कोई टाइम पीरियड नहीं होता, डिज़ायर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. व्हेन यू विल डिज़ायर दैट you will not run your partnership firm, then you can close it. Okay, while if I talk about the particular partnership firm, then it is for a particular purpose, for a specific purpose. When that specific object or purpose will be accomplished, then your partnership firm will be end. Okay, and last one is legal and illegal partnership. So legal and illegal means which is under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. The partnership which is run under this act will be legal, and some other in other type of category illegal partnership, when the rules and regulations of this act is not followed, it means that it will be a illegal partnership. It means that if the purpose of your business is illegal, then it is also illegal partnership firm. If the business of partnership is against the public policy, it will also consider illegal partnership. If the number of partners reduces to 1 or exceed the maximum limit, means to say that it is mentioned in the Indian Partnership Act 1932 that the minimum number of partners are 2 and maximum are 50. If you will not follow accordingly, then it will also be illegal. Okay, so this is the main difference between legal and illegal. When you follow the rules and regulation which are covered under the Indian Partnership Act 1932, it is considered as legal, and when you will not follow according to the Indian Partnership Act 1932, then it will be illegal. So these are the types of partnership firm. Thank you so much.